All right, so what is your opinion about buying a home with a sump pump in the basement? That is today's first time home buyer question, and I think it's a great one. In many homes, they have a basement. In that basement, usually in a scary corner or so, you'll see this kind of black hole, and that's where the sump pump sits. There's definitely a couple things you want to check to make sure there's actually a sump pump in the hole, that it's working, that it has a backup generator. Those are the things that you want to test to make sure. But the sump pump can be a really good option for a home to remove excess water away from the home. And in fact, a lot of the basements that have been waterproof, they're going to install that sump pump system in there. As water hits the foundation walls of the home, it sends it over to that sump pump. That sump pump then kicks that water out and away from the home. So actually having a sump pump in the home, you should not be afraid. It's actually a good thing. It helps keep water away from the foundation of your home, preserving your foundation walls. For more information, looking to buy your home, make sure you give me a call today.